Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to talk to you guys about this adhesive bra right here. I recently had to go to my niece's Sweet 16 and it was a formal dress code for the Sweet 16. So I wore a dress that was an off the shoulder dress.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
And the back kind of dipped pretty low, so I didn't want to wear a traditional bra, of course, and I felt that a regular strapless bra would have still exposed the back of the bra, so I didn't really want to wear a regular strapless bra. So I decided on trying out an adhesive bra. So I spent like the better part of a week online researching different adhesive bras on Amazon because it was pretty close to the date of the Sweet 16. And I was nervous that unless I was able to find something on Prime, that I wasn't going to get anything at all. And I could not for the life of me find these things in stores anywhere. So I went ahead and I ordered this one off of Amazon for $16.99. I will link it down below in case you do want to see it after this video. But it was the Muryobow. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly at all or not, but anyway, so this was the one that I found off of Amazon. Now, I was particularly looking for ones that had reviews by other women. Now, we're about to get real TMI all up in my business, but I am a 36D chest, and during that time of the month, I can shoot up to a double D. But regularly I am a 36D, so you know, you can imagine that it's pretty hard to find adhesive bras that actually give the support that I need. And I'm also a mom, so not only has my body dealt with gravity, but also the changes of, you know, birthing a child and feeding them and all that good stuff. Like I said, TMI. So it's very difficult to find either strapless bras or adhesive bras that really give me the support I need. So I saw this particular one that had reviews from women that had claimed to also be D-size chests, and they said they loved it, that it worked great. And there was also some other reviews saying that they were women that had worn them during the summertime when they were outside at parties and they were sweating and dancing and carrying on, and the bra never moved or anything. Now, here's the thing, is that when you look at the adhesive side, this is it here. Let me show you. This, look at the stickiness of this. It really does stick pretty well to your skin. Like, there's no denying that part, right? Here's the problem for me, is that for whatever reason, at the very tops of this, which are these two individual sides right here, these are the most supportive parts for your boobs. They are going to keep them wherever it should in theory keep them wherever you place that adhesive. So these sides stuck very well. The little flaps on the sides here stuck really well to keep them together. But these pieces here, these very top circles here, that I really needed to stick in place to hold them up, did not stay adhered to my skin. And I followed the directions, which said to make sure that your skin was clean and it was dry and it was free from any lotions or oils or anything. And I even went so far as to use a cotton round soaked in alcohol to clean the area to make sure there were no oils on my skin so that it could stick properly. And for whatever reason, these two corners would not stick. I ended up going so far as to take safety pins to pin it through the sides and then pin it to the inside of my dress to try to hold it in place. One of them actually even popped open, which that was not fun. I can tell you that much, being, you know, suddenly stabbed by a safety pin. I don't even know why they call them safety pins. It's not very safe at all. But it sucks because everything else about it was great. So it has the little, you know, holes right here for your nips so that you didn't actually have to stick any adhesive on that. I wouldn't want to imagine having to pull that off of there. And the center of it, that like corset style center where you have the adjustable toggle here that moves up and down, that's actually pretty secure. Because sometimes these toggles, like the springs won't have enough tension and they'll tend to slip and slide. No, once I set that in place where I needed it to be, that actually held pretty securely. I didn't even have to worry about knotting it down here or anything like that. It was just that top section, for whatever reason, it just wouldn't hold. And again, that was like the main part of the support system that I needed. So I was a little disappointed in that. So I'm a little on the fence as to whether or not I would even recommend this particular adhesive bra, because like I said, for the most part, as far as the sides holding and keeping them together, that part worked out well. But for the top sides, it didn't. And like I said, I did keep my skin clean and dry and free of oils. Now, if one side had failed, I would have said, okay, maybe I messed up somehow. But for both sides to have failed, I can't say that it was user error. Everything else worked appropriately the way it was supposed to. And I mean, for $16.99, I guess, you know, it's kind of like a toss-up. Like I said, I will link it down below, and I'll kind of leave it up to you guys after hearing this review in general. The adhesive did work well. Once I peeled it off at the end of the night, it sticks very well to your skin. So if you hold your skin tight and you start to peel slowly, it'll come off. It's a little freaky to see your skin kind of like stretching as it pulls off, but it's not painful, not at all. So that part about it is really good. I just don't know what happened with those two top flaps. Had those stayed in place, then the lift I wanted would have remained in place. And mind you, that all happened before I even left the house. So as I was getting dressed, it's like a hair floating around. So as I was getting dressed, it had already started kind of failing on me. So that was kind of a bummer. I did wear it the rest of the night though. But like I said, I did have to use the pins and end up getting stabbed during the night. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to leave this review out there. I'm going to let you guys decide on your own whether you think you still want to give it a shot or not. I will have it linked down below, the exact one that I bought off of Amazon. And if any one of you that are watching this now, if you have a more or less the same breast size that I do, a 36D or even bigger, and you have tried an adhesive bra that works really well for you, please leave that suggestion down below in the comments, because I'm still looking for a really dependable adhesive bra, or even a strapless one. I would love any opinions that you have out there, any suggestions that you have down there. So please leave that link down below. Link down below. Please leave that commented down below so that I can go searching for it. And yeah, that's that. If you have any further questions about this that I didn't explain or I didn't answer, please feel free to leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you haven't already, please comment, rate, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You all have an amazing rest of the week and wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.